And hello, 5-minute review. Meet Gary from Earthquaker Devices from the US, made in Ohio? I think so. Gary's weird. It's like your weird uncle. So the right side of Gary is an envelope filter fed into a pulse width modulation fuzz. So it's a square wave fuzz, and the envelope tracking the volume of your guitar signal is being fed into how wide the pulse is. So it can be a really, really narrow pulse and then you don't hear anything. That would be right about here. Right down there, it's really not doing too much, but depending on your guitar and your output and all that stuff and what you got before, Gary, you can actually move that wall as your guitar gets quieter. And that's pretty damn cool. That side is an overdrive with gain and volume. Very unique pedal. Let's take it out of the box. And we'll do product shots and sounds. And this is scary when you actually go nuts with it in a track. After all of this, let's do some amps, let's put them in, and then I'll see you back at the end. Let's start right there. Now, as a creative tool, this is awesome. Using it as your main sound? Hell no. Using it every day? Probably not. But there are probably some cool riffs that you can come up with that only Gary can provide. And as such, it turns into an instrument and not just an effect, I think. But what do I know? I'll put links below to Gary. Please use them, like and subscribe, and animals at the end.